Sandy sells seashells by the shore, but to find the seashells she needs to explore. So come see with Sandy. She runs on the beach and through the marsh, finding lost things and making them art. Sandy hunts shells and bottles and feathers, 'cause one person's trash is another one's treasure. So come see with Sandy what the world can be. When you go outside, it'll set you free. The beauty of nature is always an adventure. How will the adventure end? Come see with Sandy.
How can we play with all this litter on the beach? Plastic bags in the water? This is worse than I thought. Sea turtles can mistake these bags for their favorite food, jellyfish. We have to do something. Let's see if we can find some help. Hi, friends. Our beautiful beach and all the animals that live in it are in danger. Will you help me?
Yeah!
Here's how we make saving the world fun. We make it a game.
A game?
A game!
A game!
A game! Ready, set, go, go, go!
Garbage doesn't go on the ground. Trash doesn't go in the sound. Clean the earth, let's leave it dirty from dirt. Plastic, paper, glass, and junk gets the earth into a funk. Mother Nature doesn't like getting hurt.
Ew!
Over here! Over here, we're stranded! Hey! Hey! Ooh. 2 times a day the tide goes in and the tide goes out. I'm going to draw 2 lines in the sand to show us which way the tide is going. This is taking too long. What else can I do to show you how the tides work?
The tide goes up and the tide goes down. Twice a day like a merry-go-round. The tide goes in and the tide goes out. Critters feed and play about. Well, the changing tides, low and high, bring a meal to those land, sea, and sky. But don't get caught when the water's out, or you'll be stuck without a doubt. 'Cause the tide is high and the tide is low. Though change is very, very slow, you can pass the time watching nature show.
Water! This is great! The tide has come in enough for us to leave. Lost!
If you've had a breakfast feast, the sun is in the east. If you're close to dinner time, the sun sits in the western sky. Never eat soggy waffles, northeast, south, and west.
Bird off.
Alright, folks, welcome to today's Bird Off. Nothing like a friendly competition to pass the time. In one corner, we have seashell collector, bird enthusiast, Sandy.
Do you see anything yet, Captain True?
Found one. That's a great blue heron. What a beautiful bird.
Hey, get outside and play. Go and see what nature's got for you today. As you go out and climb some trees, sing with the birds and feel the breeze. 'Cause the best treasures aren't bought, they're found when you take a look around.